Good morning, student. In last lecture, we analyzed the noise theoretically, and in this lecture, we will verify the result theoretically calculated in the last lecture. We also analyze some result for the passive circuits or low pass filter and some result for the active circuits as using the transistors. Okay, so now start. In last lecture, the circuit in the first case which we have taken the resistance value 25, 20 and the 80, and the supply voltage has been taken the DC. Okay, same here we have taken the resistance 25, but the value of resistance is 25, 20 and 80. So just take the value of resistance. This value resistance is 25 and name is given as the R25. Apply 25. This resistance is 20 ohm. Apply. Okay. And this resistance is 80 ohm. 80 ohm. Apply. Okay. So resistance R25 20 ohm, R20 20 ohm, and R80 resistance is value is 80 ohm VDC supply. Okay, now ground, check and save. Okay, launch ADL window. So can you go to the simulation window? Here you are seeing the option as the transient, which we have discussed significance of DC and AC, and that is the noise analysis. And in coming lecture we also discuss about the accept transfer function analysis, sensitivity, DC matched, S parameter, pole zero. This is representing the pole zero type analysis. Okay, but now we are interested in noise. So just click on the noise command, noise button. Okay, here you have seen the number of type of variable, sweep variable. Sweep variable at axis we are interested in frequency. If we are selecting the design variable, what is the significance of this? You are measuring the noise at a particular frequency, and x variable is the variable you have chosen in the schematic, and you have to give in the range of that variable. Same, we can analyze the noise or with respect to temperature or component parameter or model parameter, but now we are interested in frequency. So suppose frequency range is suppose 1 kilohertz to 100k, but here we have taken the resistance, so my noise is remain constant throughout the constant. Okay, so now say the output, there are the two window: output noise in which you want to measure the noise, and input noise. So output has two type of variable: voltage and probe. When you select the probe, you will give the name of the instance, but here in first case we have selected the wire, so voltage, so two wire. So first wire is my, just click on the wire. So wire is, this is my point A wire in the circuit, and second select the negative, so this is my second ground. And input you have the current or voltage, but we have the in the schematic we have taken the voltage. So select, apply, okay. Now just we are verifying our circuit again. So see, in the theory 25 20 20 VDC wire is A and B and RTH. and same is here. Okay, buyer 1, buyer 2, 2080. Okay, everything is fine. Now just run the simulation. Now see, if you want to plot, then go to the result, direct plot and mean form. Here you show the which type of analysis you have chosen into the ADL window. We have chosen the noise. If you also choose the DC, AC and AC, in number of analysis which you have chosen into the ADL comes here. So now noise. So in noise, what the function we can perform? Output noise, input noise, noise factor, noise figure, and the transfer function. Plot this output noise. So it represents your total value of output noise. Okay, if you are interested in input noise, press this is showing your total input noise. Okay, if you are interested in noise figure, because noise figure and noise figure factor comes in the case of portal, so not applicable in this case. So transfer function, plot this. So value of transfer function is 800 millivolt per volt, or theoretically or equivalent to the zero point 0.8. If we verify this value with our theoretical value, so see what is my result summary. So theoretical value of noise is zero point 0.8 volt. So they say the transfer function value is zero point 0.8. Okay, so this is the zero point 0.8 theoretically, and practically its value is also the zero point 0.8 volt. Okay, now if we want to see these all value, what the value of noise due to the 80 ohm, 20 ohm, 25 input refer noise and output refer noise, close this window. Okay, go to the where will I will check my result. So result print, here is an option noise summary and noise parameter. So just click on noise summary. Here a window is pop up. So spot noise, in case of spot noise, all the noise due to the different element comes at one frequency. If you integrate noise, it shows a range of frequency from initial point to the final point, and total noise due to the every element comes for the integration of that values. Okay, so now we are drawing the spot noise, and here have to value include all type or include null. So include all type. So because our circuit has the register, it is showing only the register. If your circuit has a number of transistor or any other, so include all type represent what type of source noise element is present in your schematic. Okay, so include all. Now select include instance or exclude instance. So in case of include instance, represent you are interested which component noise. So if we are interested in all type here, so just click on this, select your component, that is R80. We also interested in R20. We also interested in R25. Because BDC is a constant, so include all type, it is not shown here. Okay, exclude if you are not interested in one of any component or any other, click there. So that does not comes in your summary window. So click just apply noise summary result display. So see, this is our result window. So 25 resistance is contributing the noise of 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 19 and contribution of noise is 80%. Okay, and we verify this through the theoretical result. See what our result is. So resistance due to the 80 ohm theoretical equivalent value is 5.30 into 10 to the power minus 20, and while the practical value due to the 25 ohm is, first we have entered 25 due to the 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 90 and 80%, and 25 due to 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 90 and 80%. R80 is contributing 5.838 into 10 to the power minus 80 and 16%, and same here 5.38 80 ohm is noise 16%. Okay, 20 ohm contribute the 4% noise and value is 1.36, and theoretically 20 ohm is contributing 1.38 and value is 4%. So perfect match with our theoretical result. See 16, 40 and 80. Okay, so noise power, total output noise power is 3.315. So our practical value is, noise value is 3.315 into 10 to the power minus 90. So that is the total output noise. If we are interested in input referred noise value is 5.17 into 10 to the power minus 90, and theoretical value is also 5.179 into 10 to the power minus 19 volt square per hertz. So our total result is verified into the simulation window. Okay. So now in second case, we have taken the value of resistance 40, 20 and 60 and select a probe. 20 ohm is selected as the probe. So in second case, resistance value 40, 20 and 60, and this 20 ohm resistance has been taken as the probe. So now just for first changing our circuit 40, 20 and 60. So just close this window, close. Okay. So resistance, just change the resistance value. This resistance is 40 ohm. So 40 ohm. Now changing my resistance name also 40. Okay, apply. Okay. Second resistance value is 20, 20. Okay. 40, 20 and third value is, what is the third value? Just check again. So third value of resistance is 60 ohm. Okay, so this value is 60 ohm. Okay, 60 ohm. Apply. Okay. Okay, so my circuit is complete. 40, 60 and 80. 40, 60 and 80. Just 40, 60 and 80. Once again check value. 40, 20 and 60. Sorry. 40, this value is 20 and this value is 60. Okay, Q, this value is 60. So just take the value as 60 and resistance name is 60. Okay, just take the value as apply. Okay, so 40, 60 and 80. Check and save. Okay, just launch your ADL window. 40, 20 and 60. Okay, so launching our circuit ranges. Now in this case, we have taken the 60 ohm resistance, this 20 ohm resistance as the probe. So now we are selecting the probe. So select the value of resistance R20. Okay, and output as the voltage apply. Okay, okay, just check what is the value of this resistance. This resistance is 20 ohm. So just change the value of apply. Okay, so this is 40, 20 and 60. Okay, apply. Okay, and in ADL window we have taken the value as 20 ohm. Okay, okay, now run the simulation. Okay, just go to the direct plot main form. So what is my transfer function value plot? See, so value of is 166.67 millivolt. Okay, this is approximately equivalent to 0.166. So theoretical value which we have calculated is transfer function value is 1 by 6 or equivalent to the 0.166. So now see the summary of our result in the second case. So that is a transfer function value. Now we are interested in individual value. So in case of cadence moves, okay, close this, close this, result, print and the noise summary. So we are interested in all type of noise, include all. So circuit, our circuit has resistance. By mistake I closed this window, so I have to again launch ADEL, go to the simulation, noise analysis. This is 1K and 100K. At output, select probe, output, select probe, and input, select the voltage and OK. Okay, value Q. So just apply the value of 1 volt, apply, OK, select and voltage. So this is V0, apply, OK. Clear transfer functions. Check and save. So that is the second case. Run the simulation again. Okay, check the result, print and the noise summary. So we are including all the results. all the element, select in resistance 1, 2 and 3. Okay, excluding all element. No element has been selected into the exclude. Apply. Okay, so now see the noise. Just wait 1 minute. Result, direct plot, print and noise summary. Apply. We have not simulated. Okay, check and save. After giving the name, result, print and the noise summary. We have included all the registers. 6042 apply. Something is program. Pro apply. Okay, print noise summary. Apply. Okay, just select the new value of the include all type of resistance, because we have not done the this, so just include all type of resistance. Apply. Okay, so this is my total result. Okay, R20 contribute 83.3, R60 60 ohm 10%, and R40 is contributing 6.67. Okay, just verify our result with the theoretical value. So see, the R20 is contributing 83, R40 6.6 and R60 is 10. So same result. R20 numerical value is 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 due to 20 ohm. So due to 20 ohm value is equivalent to the 2.3. Theoretical value is 2.3. Due to 40 ohm numerical value is 1.84. So due to 40 ohm is 1.8.6 points. So verify exact match with the theoretical result. Now see what is total noise value is 2.762 into 10 to the power minus 19, and theoretical value of noise is 2.762 into 10 to the power minus 19, while input referred noise is 9.94 into 10 to the power minus 19, and practical value of the noise is also practical value is also 9.94 into 10 to the power minus 18. So perfectly matched with our theoretical result. So now just close this window. Now we are seeing some result for the passive type of filter and active filter. So for that purpose, we are taking the 1 volt as the supply. Okay, we are taking only, suppose this, deleting this resistance, and resistance value is suppose 1k. We are choosing the value of resistance is 1k. Apply. Okay, delete this resistance wire. Okay, Now connect here a capacitor. So value of cell name is capacitor. Okay, in a small cap. Okay, and value is 1 u. Okay, so my cutoff frequency is 1 upon RC. So we have taken the value, we have taken 1 u, 1 micro and 1 k. So my cutoff frequency is 1 kilohertz. So see what happen if we do the noise analysis. So now analyze, because we are going to the noise cutoff frequency is 1 kilohertz. So we are measuring this from 0.1 k, 0.1 k 100 hertz to the suppose 3 k. Okay, so output, we are selecting the wire or voltage. Out we're interested in voltage. So select, this is at this point, noise at this point, and due to source is the voltage VDC. Okay, apply and okay. Okay, so just draw the, so if we plot result, direct plot, main form. Okay, output noise plot here. So this is my output noise with respect to the frequency, because frequency at 1 kilohertz it is not showing, uh, 1 kilohertz noise is decreasing with respect to the resistance for clear picture. Okay, for the noise, because cutoff frequency is 1k, 0.5k. 0.5k means 500 hertz to suppose 2000 hertz. So we can see the clear picture. Apply, okay, okay, save, check and save again, and run the simulation again. See result, direct plot, print, direct plot, main form, and include into the our ADL window at output plot first. So this is my uh, output. Noise is decreasing with respect to the frequency at 1k. This become at 1 kilohertz. So that is the value of become 1 by root 2 of its maximum value. So noise is decreasing. Same is input noise plot. Okay, input is constant, so it is not decreasing. So you can plot output noise, input noise, noise figure. Okay, we cannot draw the noise figure, and transfer function is always drawn when you select the port. Okay, otherwise output noise, input noise, and the uh, that can be drawn in this case. Okay, okay, now we are going for some inverter type of circuit. Okay, so just deleting our circuitry for the passive, and suppose open the previous analysis as inverter, and taking the circuit from there, inverter analysis, apply, okay. There is, sorry, I have taken the wrong, close this, launch ADEL, launch inverter, not inverter. I am taking from Manish underscore CAD as input, and inverter analysis, and okay. So this circuit, so just copy this circuit, copy for the copy, copy the circuit and move into the. Okay, now we are that is copy, stretch and the move command. We are using the move command, moving the circuit. Select your circuit. Okay, move. Some problem. Okay, that is my inverter circuit, and we want to analyze the noise. So just press here Q. Okay, beat pulse. So only interest there are different type of voltage. So please give only because it will change your data. What is the problem in moving the command? Copy. Okay, click here, move into the inverter. That is check and see. Okay. Something is problem. What the problem is here? Noise analysis. First, just close your window, different window. Okay, maybe we are not interested. No, because these windows are active. Now, copy the circuit. Exactly. Copy, select it, get into this window because there are the open. First close the ADL window, then you can move this. Okay. Now we are closing this window because does not want to change the result of this window. Close this. Okay. Save, check and save. Close. So see, because in the transient in the analysis of inverter we have done the DC, AC and transient analysis. So input has a different type of voltage. So one type of voltage is given. So we have taken the DC voltage, delete the AC value. Okay, input, close, just wait for 1 minute, something is wrong. Close Q, DC voltage, what the problem is. Close the AC value, close the transient value, delete. Okay, because we are interested only in DC value. Okay, apply. Okay, this is X as the input and Q by as the output. So that is the Y as the output variable. Apply. Okay, check and save. Close one bunny because it is showing the launch ADL. So now because we have already done the transient AC analysis, so just loading the inverter analysis window. Okay, apply and okay. So we are interested in noise analysis. So just go on the noise analysis for a range of frequency 1K to 100K suppose. Select output. We are selecting the voltage at the output. So that is output point, and that is my input, and at input noise we are selecting the voltage. Apply and OK. So see, noise come first. We are doing only the noise analysis. Okay, just run the simulation. So check. So noise, that is the noise of the inverter. If you want to plot any, so we can also done the analysis for the active circuit. If we want to see the noise summary, go to the print and noise summary. So here include all tab because there are number of transistor. So include, select, that is selecting the transistor, and second one is select the another transistor. So it will show you how it is providing the noise in the circuit. So that is the noise NM0, NM0 contributing the 52%, PM0 is contributing the 43%. Okay, so you can check the noise of individual transistors. So when you performing the an amplifier or analyzing the noise of an amplifier, there are a number of transistor. So just calculate the noise of individual transistor and see which noise is contributing the more noise, and emphasis to reduce the noise of that transistor. Okay. Thank you. Hope that you have learned the different type of analysis uh, in the cadence virtuoso. One thing is remaining, that the how we can plot the transfer function and the transfer function and the sorry, noise figure and the noise factor. In that case, you will take as the port as the input variable. So just we are taking in this case port also as the input, closing this window. So port. So now we are selecting input as a port. So take this as the port, cell name is port with 50 ohm input impedance for the DC, apply. Okay. So when you are taking the port as the input, okay. Now just launch ADL. Okay. No problem. Save, check and save, close, one warning. Now, because we have taken as the port as the input, so select port as the input node and selection of the port. So this represent your port name is B0 because that is the port name. B0, apply, OK. Now again check and save, close this window, close, one warning due to the wire. So just run the simulation. Okay. Now you can check the noise figure, noise power here. Direct plot and the main form. Here the noise, when you click here noise figure, okay, that is representing your total noise figure with respect to the frequency. Okay, so in case of port, then you can only draw the noise factor and the noise figure. So that is the noise factor of your circuit. So any type of noise. Now hope that you are aware about how can we plot the noise figure, noise factor, transfer function, output noise and input noise in the circuit, and what the significance of the port in the selection of output noise or bias, and same what the significance of port, input voltage and output port. Thank you very much. Listen carefully. Okay.